So here is the 1 week update. These have, since it's been 1 week since I put the video out last, but you can tell that there's some good growth coming off these. I think there was only one set of leaves coming forth, and now a lot of these have quite a few. So in just a short time, I've got, some good growth. Not all of them are doing as good. Like that only has 2. This one, something kind of munched it a little bit. This one's not doing wonderful, but vast majority of these black-eyed peas are doing really well. So I really like them. I think this is going to be, they're growing well. Everything's doing fine. I think this is going to end up being a really good harvest if they'll produce before the frost. So yeah, just a quick update, guys. That's really it. They're really, by the way, these, I just want to kind of let you guys know, I haven't really been running this very often. So they're really drought tolerant. They don't like a lot of water. So I would say every other day I'm watering because it's so hot, I'm watering my tomatoes, and then also the cabbage here, and cruciferous every single day. But not these, not the black-eyed peas. It's every other day, and I'm really running them for a lot shorter of a time. So it's only a 20-minute time on the drip irrigation. So, and they're taking off. They're doing really well with that. So again, they're drought tolerant, they're heat tolerant, wonderful for what's going on here. Now today was quite cloudy and it wasn't super hot. I mean, it's still 95, but it's a lot better than it has been. So, and they're all doing really, really well. So got some really dark green growth, and just, it's looking great. So there's the update, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Now you guys try to escape the daily grind.